Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you want to measure the distance on your Google Maps and you are looking for a video on how to do so, today we will be guiding you through the process. So make sure to watch this video till the end for that. So if you're on your mobile device, what you need to do is basically go ahead and open up the Google Maps application on your device. And once you open it up, you can touch and hold anywhere on the map to drop a red pin. So for example, I would like to say for this location right here, right here. So you just need to hold it up and a red pin appears on your screen. You just need to go ahead and tap on the information panel and you can scroll down like this. You will be finding pictures, different options such as direction, save, etc. So you may just scroll down, and once you scroll down, you can find an option called measure distance from the options. So from the information panel, you can select that option. And once you select the option, it should start measuring the distance. You can drag the map to the position, to the black circle, to the next point you want to add. For example, this right here. And it will show you the total distance will be displayed in the lower left corner of your screen. You can select it, like for example, I would like to have it from that particular place to this distance right here of Texas. And here you can see the number right here in the bottom left corner, and that should do it. You can just go ahead and do so. If you want to start over, you can tap on this cross option or tap on the three dot in the top. And once you select it, you can look out for the option called clear. And that should clear out the path. But particularly if you'd like to go ahead and measure the distance on Google Maps, this is the simplest method you can follow up. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.